Nós está aqui na Olympia Stadium, que é o Estadio Olímpico de Berlim, na onde que awel toma lugar a grande apertura, a opening ceremony de Special Olympics 2023 aqui na Berlim. Mais de 7.000 atletas, 190 delegações, 16 diferentes disciplinas, los start sali com a grande apertura awel aqui dentro.
Special Olympics, Aruba.
E nós de 24 horas tem passando aqui dando apoio na Aruba aqui na Berlim. Assim nada que dá o pendiente para sobre o reportagem está continuar. 24horas.com e também a delegação de Special Olympics está aqui na Berlim com grande danke de Digicel. Nós conversamos com o marketing manager de Digicel para Aruba, Bonaire, Corsou, para que nós com o envolvimento com naturalmente inteira movimento de Special Olympics e também com esta outra etapa para experienciar a noite de apertura aqui no Olympic Stadium.
For me, it was a very special experience. Some of the athletes would have done this once before in Abu Dhabi, but for some athletes, it was also the first time, so also for me. And I met the athletes underneath the stadium, where all the groups would line up to walk into the stadium. One by one, it went in alphabetical order. We were group number 8, I believe. And the atmosphere down there is just absolutely incredible. You see all the delegations lined up. Everybody is so full of energy, full of anticipation. Everybody's proudly wearing their uniforms, ready to represent their country. And the Aruba team has had such a great time and really pumped up. I have great material from that moment also. It was so vibrant, so much excitement and just pure energy that it was very unique and really amazing to experience that.
When you heard the announcer say Aruba and you came out, what did that do to you?
You know, I had goosebumps all over my body, and it was just amazing. And seeing the whole stadium, I mean, the Olympia Stadium in Berlin is really big, and it was full of people supporting the special athletes, families, spectators. Everybody was welcoming us, and I found one gesture actually really beautiful. In the center of the stadium, there was a pool of water, and every nation brought some water of their home country and poured it. So that was a symbol of also unifying the nations in this sports event, which is the second biggest sports event that Berlin has done since the Summer Olympics in the 70s.
Naturalmente, Aruba está aqui com 19 atletas. E hoje estava um dia especial, ora que na dado momento o announcer anunciar o nome de Aruba e não pode sair aqui no estádio e assim nem pode saludar milhares de gente que está aqui no estádio. Nós queremos saber naturalmente com o sentimento de estar com a raia para não pode cana aqui no estádio.
E o feeling de ayer está no momento que nós paramos por de trem e botar o estádio. Passaram, botou aqui gente, botou aqui união, botou aqui família, botou aqui é incrível. Ora nós adrenta nós raia nós sitem, anto botou aqui com a delegação na comissão adrenta e emoção de tudo gente quando está animar cada país, está gewoon incrível. Botar raia goosebumps de jelly.